Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So this video I just wanted to show these headphones I got. So these were recommended to me and they are the Sony WH-1000XM3. These are Bluetooth noise canceling headphones and they're not new, they're Amazon renewed. So I did buy something Amazon renewed recently, which was a vacuum cleaner, and it actually looked like just like new. So figure I'll give this a try. I got a good deal on this. Normally these are $350 new, and this was $89.99. So not sure how good they will be, but we'll see how they look. Hopefully they are brand new, or they look new. So let's so what comes in the box? Well, it looks like it's just the headphones themselves. Well, maybe it does come with a case. Actually, it does look like it comes with a case. All right, so we got a case. And we have a limited product warranty for refurbished product, along with product manuals, Bluetooth pairing instructions, and troubleshooting guides. We give you Sony's information. And then we have the warranty for this, which is 90 days. So it's not a year, it's only 90 days. And this is offered by Asset Recovery Division, LLC, a subsidiary of Liquidity Services, and is between the purchaser and LSI only. So that's cool. And on here, it does say fully charged before use. We have this nice carrying case here. Has like a little mesh cover on the front. A little gold Sony zipper there. So let's see what comes in the case. We've got our headphones, charging coil or charging cable there. So it is USB-C to USB-A. Pretty nice. We do have a traditional 3.5 millimeter jack if you want to use it wired. And you also get a jack to split it. So it looks like you can split with another person. Or maybe this is for something else. I could be wrong. Anyway. And then on here, it does show how to use it. So you basically swipe on the headphones. And let's take these out real quick. All right, and here they are unfolded, and they honestly look brand new. I don't see any scratches or anything. It does have the model number there. On the side, we have the gold Sony emblem there. Another little gold trim piece there. NFC logo here. We have where we insert the 3.5 millimeter headset jack. On the side, you have your power button. You have your noise canceling ambient sound there. On the other side, everything looks the same. And then we have the USB-C charging port right there. And these are in the silver color. They also come in black. And looks pretty nice. Has a nice cup here. And then I'll just show you compared to what I currently use, which is the Beats Studio 2s. So these are the Beats Studio 2s, and you may recall these. I did replace the cups and the battery on this. However, that did not improve the battery life, and that is why I decided to go ahead and go with getting a new pair of headphones. So here, if you want to compare them here, and there you go. So I've had a couple days to use these, and I really do like them. However, the noise canceling is really, really good. It did give me a headache for the first couple days just because I'm not used to it, and I'm not used to, I guess, whatever frequency it uses to block out sound, but it's really good noise canceling. I mean, you can barely hear anything when you put these on. So they're really fantastic in that sense. One thing I do kind of miss is the actual touch, like the actual buttons on the Beats that I had. So I had some buttons for volume and to pair, and this uses kind of like this touch sensitive thing on one of the sides. I haven't really used it, so I can't really speak to that. It also includes voice assistants built in. I'm not sure if that's just the voice assistant that you're using with whatever device you're using, but apparently they make it easy to use. Another cool thing that they mention here on the website is that if you're trying to have a conversation with somebody, you can just put your hand over one of the cups I guess, with the touch sensitive buttons, and it'll actually turn off the noise canceling for a moment while you're speaking. So that's kind of cool. Haven't tested that, so don't know if that's for sure a thing. I do like that it's pretty simple to pair. When you press the power button here, you have a little LED. You hold that down, and you do get a person there that tells you power on, and it'll tell you when the Bluetooth is connected. Another thing that's kind of nice is you can hit the power button again while you have them on,
Battery, about 60%.
and it'll tell you the battery level. So I don't know if you can hear that, but it does say the battery level. The noise canceling has about 3 levels, so you have noise canceling on, and then ambient off, I believe, is what it is. So the sound is really good. It does have punchy bass. I did have to get used to that noise canceling though. That was the thing that I really had to get used to. Of course, the sound is really good. I really enjoy them, and I think for the price, that was really, really good. Yeah, so I'm pretty satisfied so far. Just the noise canceling is the part I have to get used to. I was able to, you're able to charge it with USB-C, which is totally different. You do have an LED right there, and the LED will basically just go off when it's charged. So it doesn't really tell you, doesn't give you much of a hint. On the Beats, the difference with that was it has a couple little LEDs that shows how much charge level you have, which I kind of like, but just something to get used to here. These fold really easily. They're much lighter than the other headphones I was using. And yeah, so they're pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with them, like I said, so far. So far, so good. And I'll definitely give a full review on these at a later time. Anyway, guys, so these are the Amazon renewed Sony headphones, the Sony WH-1000XM3, fun name headphones. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and look at these headphones. And if you did like the video, please consider hitting like. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.